All right, let's talk about something that's, well, it's literally building the world around us, but most of us never even see it. It's called computer-aided manufacturing, or CAM, and it's the invisible engine behind so much of modern life.
Have you ever just looked at your smartphone or the sleek curves on a new car and just wondered, how in the world did they make this so perfectly? Well, the answer isn't some magic trick. It's an incredibly powerful piece of software that has totally changed the game for how we create things.
Because look, making things today isn't just about cranking out products anymore. You've got to be unbelievably precise, you've got to be fast, and you have to be able to pivot on a dime. And those are three things that, honestly, old-school manufacturing methods just couldn't keep up with.
So, what exactly is CAM? The best way to think about it is as the ultimate translator. It takes a digital blueprint, a design on a computer, and it translates it into a language that a machine can understand. It tells it exactly where to cut, how to move, and how to build a physical object, perfectly bridging that gap from a digital idea to a physical reality.
So how does CAM manage to pull off this kind of perfection? Its power really rests on four fundamental pillars. First up, precision. And I don't just mean pretty accurate. We are talking micron-level precision. To give you some perspective, a single human hair is about 70 microns thick. CAM systems can guide a machine with an accuracy that's just a tiny, tiny fraction of that. The result is just flawless.
The second pillar is consistency. Unlike a person doing something by hand, CAM is like a perfect 3D photocopier. The very first part it makes, and the 1,000th part, they are absolutely identical in quality, design, and finish. Every single one is a perfect clone.
Third, CAM just eats complex shapes for breakfast. I mean, think about the swirling, intricate parts inside a jet engine, or a custom prosthetic limb that has to fit a person perfectly. These are the kinds of designs that would be basically impossible for a human to make by hand. CAM makes them not just possible, but almost routine. And this last pillar is a huge one. It practically eliminates human error. By automating the entire workflow, CAM takes all the guesswork and all those tiny, costly mistakes right out of the equation. That means way less wasted material, no more starting over, and frankly, a much greener, more sustainable way to make things.
Okay, so all that technical stuff is amazing, but what does it actually mean for a business? Well, this is what we call the unfair advantage. It's the reason CAM has become absolutely essential for modern industry.
The impact on the bottom line is just massive. First, you've got speed. You can shorten production timelines, which means you get your products to market way faster than the other guys. Then there's cost. By optimizing every little movement and cutting down on wasted material, you're directly slashing your operational costs. And maybe the biggest one of all, scalability. You can use the exact same process to make one perfect prototype and then immediately scale up to produce millions. That kind of flexibility is a total game changer.
So where is all this amazing tech hiding in plain sight? Let's take a look at how CAM is shaping the world you and I live in every single day. Honestly, it's everywhere. In aerospace, CAM is carving out those incredibly strong but lightweight parts that make planes more fuel efficient. In the medical field, it's creating life-saving custom implants fitted perfectly to a single patient. It's in your car, making those high-precision engine and safety parts. And it's even in your pocket, building the microscopic little components inside your phone. It's like the invisible architecture of our modern life.
But here's the thing, the story is far from over. CAM isn't just sitting still, it's getting a whole lot smarter by teaming up with other groundbreaking technologies.
And you can really see this evolution happening in 3 stages. Step 1 was automation, that's what we've been talking about. But now we're deep into step 2, making things predictive. We're adding AI and IoT sensors into the mix so CAM systems can actually predict problems before they happen and optimize themselves on the fly. And the final step, the thing that's just over the horizon, that's the truly smart, fully autonomous factory.
So here's the real takeaway. For businesses, embracing CAM isn't just about getting a competitive edge today. It's about building for the future. It's about creating a foundation that's so efficient and so sustainable that you're ready for whatever innovation comes next.
Which brings us to a really fascinating final thought. When manufacturing gets this intelligent, this precise, it just opens up a whole new universe of possibilities. So the question to leave you with is this. If we can make anything with near-perfect accuracy, what incredible problems are we going to solve next?